Hey, welcome back. HTC is coming back, the company that was once at the forefront of Android phone innovation, as well as they have kickstarted the Android phones before 12 years ago by launching the first commercial Android phone. And now the company is forgotten and we have not seen any flagship smartphone from HTC since HTC U12 Plus. But what went wrong in case of HTC for being the top third smartphone company to the point it barely exists? We all know what went wrong. It was just poor marketing and lack of meaningful innovation. The Android smartphone market is very complex and competitive market. In order to survive here, you need to spend a lot on marketing and bring innovative features. And now surprisingly, HTC is coming back in 2020 with a mid-range smartphone called as HTC Desire 20 Pro. And the first look of the smartphone is coming from a well-known leakster, Evan Blass. The smartphone is coming with a punch hole camera setup at the front, and at the back you are getting a quad camera setup with a fingerprint sensor in 2020 at the back, where most of the companies using in-display fingerprint sensor. The design is mixed. At the front it looks like OnePlus 8 and at the back it looks like Mi 10. And surprisingly, the smartphone will come with 3.5mm headphone jack. And guys, we have no clue on what this device will pack specs wise, but since it is a Desire smartphone and the phone looks fairly mid-range, we are not really expecting anything amazing or mind-blowing here. There is also a Geekbench listing for the device. It shows not so immersive performance, but it does indicate that it runs on an octa-core Snapdragon processor clocked at 1.8 GHz. It is possible that might HTC surprise us. Now talking about the pricing and launch date, we don't know when HTC is going to launch the smartphone, but we are expecting it should cost around $400 to $500. That's it for today's guys. Tell me your thoughts about the HTC Desire 20 Pro and I will see you tomorrow. If you like the video, hit the like button, share this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much.